Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get reward from usually weekly quests in eSport FC Mobile 24. So you can claim 80 until 85 mixed version player in this quest. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from it. And let's get started. If you are in the main page, tap the quest, the first button at the bottom. And this is the quest or the objective page that you can be done. And I want to show you this UCL weekly quest. So you can get coin 100,000 by complete 10 UCL daily quests in a week. This one. And also you can get this mixed version player contain an AD, OVR or UCL, UL or UCL player. You can get this player and also 20,000 coin by complete 15 matches in UCL main chapter, and also you can get 300 gems by score 50 goal in any mode during the UCL program. So please done this objective, done this quest so you can get the rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. Enjoy the game.